that are needed. All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all those details. We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more news coming in, where during his recent visit to Kutch, a group of women who had shown remarkable courage in the 1971 war met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and presented sindoor saplings to him. PM Modi was touched by this gesture and said that he would plant the sindoor at his residence. Today, on World Environment Day, he planted the sindoor sapling at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. That visual right there on your screens. My colleague Mehendi is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Mehendi, of course, a very touching moment today on International Environment Day. The Prime Minister has, put that sapling in. What more can you tell us?
Well, indeed, Asavri, to commemorate the World Environment Day, today Prime Minister Narendra Modi has planted a sindoor tree sapling at his official residence, 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, and this act was indeed a very emotional and a very heartfelt tribute to a group of courageous women from Kutch, Gujarat, who played a pivotal role in, during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. And these women had reconstructed the bombed Bhuj airstrip, enabling the Indian Air Force to continue its operations. And during the visit to Kutch of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they presented this, to Prime Minister with a sindoor sampling, symbolizing their resilience and also dedication. So this move was deeply moved by their gesture, and also Prime Minister Modi pledged to, plant the sapling at his residence, a promise he fulfilled today on this significant day of World Environment Day. And not only this, Asavri, but also we can say that this was a very emotional moment and a very hurtful tribute to those women, because a memorial park named Sindoor Van is being developed near Bhuj in Gujarat's Kutch district as well, which is dedicated to Operation Sindoor and India's military response to the Pahalgam terror attack. The park will also span 8 hectares and feature sections honoring the Indian Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and also the BSF. So if we talk about today's initiative, Asavri, then yes, it coincides with the launch of the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because all the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are planting a sapling, a tree in their particular residences, offices, everywhere, encouraging every citizen to, plant a tree in honor of their mothers. So this move of the Prime Minister was to, to give a heartfelt tribute to all those women who played a very important role during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Yes, Asabi.
Absolutely. Mehendi, thank you so much for sharing all the details. We're going to leave it there and shift our focus.